Okay, so then you want to divide by 6. And is she okay? What is happening? Miss Smith, I think she's lying. I'm good now. I'm good now. Oh my god. Anyways, so then that equals 2. Yes, see now. And Mackenzie, go ahead and step outside. For what? Because you're being distracted with all your yawning. Your yawning is loud. Just go ahead and step outside. I'll be out there in a minute. Oh my god, I cannot believe I just cannot yawn. You know what? Dang. Please guys, make sure you guys try to reach your shit off because you might be able to just like this.